William Ruto, I don't know if you are seeing that there is a third force that is coming very, very strong, led by Honorable Senator Edwin Sifuna, the Secretary General of ODM. This man, I've taken time to listen to him. He understood Baba. He got Baba's teachings, Raira's teachings. He knew how Odinga was playing politics. He studied Raila Odinga very well. Let me show you one example. Maybe you don't know. All the time when crisis arose between the process or in between the process, Raila angekuja venye nyinyi mmekuja na 10-point agenda, Raila anakuja ana dismiss what you said all, then ana create a way forward. Then Raila anarudi kufanya consultations from the people. So Sifuna today called a presser. He consulted Kenyans. Akapatia nafasi viongozi wakaongea. Akasema tutapeana way forward. Immediately akalaunch the Linda Mwananchi movement. That is the way Odinga used to operate. Odinga could move from one county to another, kusiki maoni, kusikiza people, ndio ikae the people drive an agenda. That is exactly what Sifuna has done. You understand? The only man you are working with, Oburu Odinga. I know Oburu understands zero. He is Raila Odinga's brother. Lakini, even he used to survive under the mercy of Raila Odinga. He can be nominated if we can't get active elections. And that is the man you are telling us that he has a plan for DM. That is a lie. Sifuna will beat you hands down. I'm telling you, any intelligent Kenyan, bright Kenyan with the future could settle and sit in Sifuna's desk. Angesikiza Sifuna natupeleka wapi. Sifuna has bright, intelligent people. He has clean